That's how we're getting this one. Sounds rough. Looks like somebody started and didn't finish by the looks of it. Jammed on there. Don't forget the wee spring. I take it this tool holder does actually work. Actually doesn't. It's not got on far enough. No. It's not holding the butt either. Somebody has been on. Them screws are out already. Yeah, this one's alright. Tool holder needs to be replaced. Simple as that. Now you can replace this as one complete kit, this whole bar together, or you can just replace or repair individual components inside of it. So you actually fix it. Take off this wee rubber seal. Circlip at the bottom. Take that out. And that should just wiggle out. There we go. Sometimes there could be nothing wrong with these. They can be just packed out with dirt. Yep. There's something on there. I don't know what the hell that is. Yep, They have that with a bit of silicone or something. That's all we'll jam in that. Hopefully that should do the trick. Put this back together, give a spring a wee clean. So you can buy all these components anyway. The head, the bar, the spring, the wee seal, this wee pin. These are all available separately. There's no damage in that at all. No, looks like all it was. A bit tricky getting this together again, but it is doable. That sits there. Your spring is tensioning this way, so this has to move that way. Slide it over first. Miss your spring and bring your spring back over. Push it all together. You can't actually get it on if you have the spring hooked on and try to twist this around with the spring in the hole. It just jams up. You have to put this on first without the spring being located, then bring the spring over. It's the only way to put it back on, or at least the fastest. This wee boy here, wee dust shield, wee piece of rubber. Doesn't just press on all that easy. You actually have to get it onto this ring first, along the inside, and then you can make sure the outside's on. That should be it. There we go. Didn't even need to take it out, to be quite honest. But you always want to take it out anyway, because there's a leaf spring down on here. I always just like to check, because this does break at times. Replace that one because it's got a wee bit of damage on it. Look. Replace that. It just sits there at pitch tension on your blade. Keep it pressed back the way. Reinstall your holder. Make sure you're putting this on the right way. And you have to get this push on clip onto that pin. Easier said than done. That's that. Lift that up. Slide on your two steel plates. These are wee wear plates. Stick everything back together again. Generally, I know I don't wash this out, and there's dust inside this still. I don't generally worry too much about it, because these cordless jigsaws normally fill completely with sawdust. There's this actual retainer back here, the seal. It's quite loosely fitted, just to give clearance so it's not as strenuous on the motor, you know. A bit of extra goo-goo just to keep it running sweet. Don't fill it. You only need a wee bit. Drop your spring in there. Wee nut slides down in there. Set your base on. And a bolt then holds everything together. Sounds better. That's her. Up and running again. One Makita jigsaw fixed up.